Now let's do Chandrabhedan Prayanm. For this, first of all, you need to sit in Sukhasan, Ardha Padmasan or Padmasan position. Now take mudra of both hands, the right hand Pranav mudra and the left hand Vayu mudra. The right nostril should be closed with the right thumb and the left nostril should be closed with the right finger. To do this, inhale from the left for 5 counts and exhale from the right for 10 counts. In short, the amount of breath you inhale is greater than the amount of breath. Now inhale through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slowly relax. In the second round, you can also have to inhale from the left and exhale from the right. And you can do this for 5 to 10 rounds.